Okay, first graders, yesterday we started talking about how we know something is a fact because we are going to be using facts in our writing now. And we talked about how you can use your five senses to prove something. And if you can prove it, if you can teach it to somebody else or it's something you can learn, then we know it's a fact. If it's just how we feel or what we think about something, then it is our opinion. Okay. So let's think of a couple of things. If I say that a dog is the best pet, is that a fact or is that my opinion? It's an opinion because I can't teach it to somebody else. It's how I feel. I feel like dogs are the best pet. But that might not be true for my neighbor who's allergic to dogs, right? A dog would not be the best pet for them. Okay, how about this one? Giraffes have long necks. That's a fact. Okay, that is something we can see. We can look at a giraffe and we can see that they have a long neck. We can prove it using one of our five senses. Okay, how about this one? Popsicles are cold. That's a fact, right? When you go to taste a popsicle, it's going to feel cold in your mouth, and if you pick it up, it's cold to your touch. Okay, so that is something we can use our five senses to prove and to show others. So it is a fact. Okay, how about popsicles are delicious? That's an opinion. You might really like how they taste, but your friend might not. Maybe your friend doesn't like popsicles. They would definitely not say it's delicious then, would they? Okay, let's think. First grade is the best grade. Well, that's probably our opinion. But you know what? I don't think a kindergartner could say that. They haven't been to first grade yet, could they? Okay, so make sure that when you're going to share a fact, you are sharing something that can be proved, that can be shown to someone else, something that can be taught or something that can be learned, not just the way you feel about something, okay? We are going to look at the facts that we wrote yesterday about snow, and we are going to start putting these together in the paragraph form that we are going to use with our um, expository text or informative writing. Are you ready? Okay, with our journal. So I have here, yesterday we did that four square where we showed that we were paying attention to what we see, what we hear, what we touch, what we smell, and what we taste, all to do with snow. And then we took our ideas and we put them into four sentences. Snow is white, snow falls quietly, snow is cold and wet, snow melts to water. Okay, so let's go to the next page. And we are going to learn how to share this information in a paragraph form. And this will be the format that we will use across first grade, okay? And it will help you make sure that you have all the pieces you need, just like we were doing with our narrative. Okay, so we're going to start by saying, I know some facts about snow. Okay, because facts are things we can know. It's not how I feel some things about snow. I think some things about snow. These are things I know. I know some, what are they called? True things that we know? They're called facts. I know some facts about, oh, I'm going to have room, but just barely, snow, and with a period. Okay, I know some facts about snow. Go ahead and pause and finish that introduction sentence if you need more time. Okay, so this was our topic sentence. When we were doing our narratives, this was the introduction. It has to happen. So this is kind of like where we said first. It's where we're letting people know what it is that we're talking about. So when we were doing narratives, the first thing we said was, let me tell you about a fun day in the winter. This is our introduction. We're going to let people know that I know some facts about snow. So everything else we write about has to involve facts about snow. We don't say I know some facts about snow and then tell things about rain. Okay? Or we don't say I know some facts about snow and then talk about the 4th of July. If we say we know some facts about snow, then we need to make sure that is the topic we are staying with all the way until the end. Okay? Just like we did with our narrative, we are going to start by saying first. Okay? First, what would be the first thing you would want somebody to know about snow? First, we can look at our sentences we did yesterday. Snow is white, snow falls quietly, snow is cold and wet, snow melts to water. I'm just going to start with the first one we did yesterday. Snow is white. First, snow is white. Period. Okay. I know some facts about snow. First, snow is white. Now, if we were telling a story, then it would matter what order we share these in. But we're just sharing facts, so the order does not matter. Because of that, that was the only time we're going to use one of our starting words from before. We're not going to use transition words for the rest of this. So I'm not going to write next. I'm not going to write then, and I'm not going to write finally. Okay, we have different ways to share the rest of our thoughts. I know some facts about snow. First, snow is white. What is it we're sharing? We are sharing facts. So I'm going to write another fact is. Okay. I know some facts about snow. Always go back and read what you've written. First, snow is white. Another fact is what? We can look at our clues from yesterday. Snow falls quietly. Hey, what is our topic? Snow, right? We said that right here. Snow. We said that right here. Snow. Guess what? We don't have to keep saying snow and over and over and over. So instead of writing snow again, to say snow falls quietly, we're going to say another fact is it. It falls quietly. We don't need to mention snow again because we already know that is the topic. Okay, we already know everything we're going to share is going to be about snow. So we do not have to say snow over and over and over. Okay? I know some facts about snow. First, snow is white. Another fact is it falls quietly. We're going to pause right there and we're going to finish this tomorrow and see how it is that we close these paragraphs. Good luck and happy learning.